Welcome, friend. Today we discuss about social media management. Social media management refers to the process of creating, scheduling, analyzing, and engaging with content posted on social media platforms. The goal of social media management is to build a strong online presence for a brand, organization, or individual and engage with the target audience in a meaningful way. Here are some key steps to effective social media management. Establish goals. Determine what you want to achieve through your social media presence. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or improving customer service, your goals will guide your social media strategy. Identify your target audience. Identify the demographics, interests, and behavior of your target audience. This will help you create content that resonates with them and engage with them in a meaningful way. Choose the right platforms. Different social media platforms have different user demographics and content formats. Choose the platforms that align with your goals and target audience, and tailor your content accordingly. Create a content strategy. Develop a plan for creating and publishing content that aligns with your goals and engages your target audience. Your content strategy should include a mix of content formats, such as text, images, videos, and live streams. Monitor and analyze results. Use social media analytics to track the performance of your content and identify areas for improvement. Monitor engagement rates, follower growth, website traffic, and other metrics to measure the effectiveness of your social media strategy. Engage with your audience. Social media is a two-way conversation. Respond to comments and messages in a timely manner, and participate in relevant online conversations to build relationships with your audience. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your social media presence and build a strong online brand. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. We appreciate your support. Don't